guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Madel Barrow. So for today's video, we are going to do the Watson's haul. So if you want to know what are the products that I got, please keep on watching. So let's start with the Eye White Korea BB Cream Holic, the famous one, and I got it in the shade of beige. So yes, and I got the Charmy Feminine Wipes because oh my gosh, it's a must, girls. I know you guys have it also, and yeah, so. And I also got the All Control Sheet in the scent of rose. I think this one has 100 sheets of it, and I always use this one because mura lang siya, guys. And yeah, since I was college, I use this one already. And since wala akong pera, I bought the Two-Way Cake foundation from Caroline. So it's just a refill, guys. So I think I'm in the shade nude for this one. I'm not really sure. I forgot what's the shade of this. And this one comes with the SPF 35 plus. And yeah, it's nice. Oh, dang it. I was joking right there. Because this one, I got the No Shine mattifier from Quick Fix. And this is actually my first time buying it. And yeah, it's so fast. So I got the Myra E Smooth what's this? I forgot. I think this one is a facial wash, guys, because I got the wrong product because I thought this one is the moisturizer one. But yeah, it's good though. This one is only 80 plus. Guys, I'm so sorry, I forgot all the prices already. So yeah. And of course, I got the chopstick and the classic strawberry. Yeah, just a simple chopsticks, because yeah, my lips is dry as always. And yes, guys, I got this glide. Oh, dang it, I glided. This glide, and comes with 4 pieces in it. And yes, I got this also, the Bello Intense White deodorant. This is really nice, guys. I love the smell of this, and yeah, I just love this one. I just bought this one because I love it. Joking. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Oh, dang it. It's so tagal. Wow. Yeah, I get it. And yes, guys, my favorite cologne, the Juicy Cologne one. This comes with a... I forgot how many ml is this one. Basta, yung malaki. Yun lang. I love this one because the smells stays for a long time. Yeah. And of course, I got the Betadine Feminine Wash. I love this product. I will use this forever. That's it. And now it's really hard to breathe doing the voiceover. And yes, again, I got the clean and clear facial wash. And I don't know what's that. Hasta I got the pink one. And yes, guys, I got the pants acne clear solution in the 10 choo choo. I don't know what's that, but I use that since last year. Yes. And of course, I got the St. Ives Fresh Skin. What's wrong with me? And the apricot scrub. I love the smell. This one's really good. And bumili ako kasi uso sa YouTuber. Nakiuso lang. Yes, that's it, guys. And I know, guys, this product cannot be bought from Watson's, but I am just going to share to you guys that I bought this Bell Peeling Lotion from online, and I am going to do a review out of this, so watch out for that on my channel. This product can really help the whiten your skin, so watch out for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will